Let's start. So with this side of my gua sha, I'm gonna just start so slowly. Be so gentle here because this is eye area, don't forget that. So I'm gonna just move outwards to the temples like this, and then slightly I'm gonna just move like this with my gua sha on the temples. So moving outwards and just slightly massaging that. 10 times for each eye. So this is like upwards, outwards, and massage. Upwards, outwards, massage. See that my eyebrow got lifted? It's like you're just ironing the muscles and your skin. Again, 10 times. Upwards and outwards, and a little massage. Upwards, outwards, massage. Okay, see? You can also see the blood circulation that increased. Okay, so let's go to next movement, which is for crow's feet and the wrinkles on these parts that appears when you are just smiling. So we're gonna just unfold that. I want to just mention something here because I can see that many of you guys just commenting that you don't have any wrinkles, you don't have any crow's feet while you're doing this massage. So I'm just preventing any that I can get at this age. So I'm 35 and I don't want any wrinkles to just appear on my face, so I'm just preventing them. So see, when I smile, there are wrinkles here. So if I don't do this exercise every time that I smile, it's gonna make a line here. And if I don't unfold that line each time, as time passes, it's gonna get wrinkle here. So with massage, we are just slowing the aging process. So don't forget this. We are not here to just stop anything. We are here just to make it slower and just age gracefully, let's say. So I hope I can be clear on this matter and I can just, reply to your questions in this way. So for this area, just slightly, I'm not gonna push it downward. Be careful on this area. This is eye area, so you have to be more careful. I'm gonna just hold the skin and then I'm gonna move slightly upwards, just unfolding any wrinkles. And my pressure is light, it's not even medium. And I'm doing this for 10 times on this area, upwards. Okay. For next time, I'm gonna move upwards like this. I'm doing this for 10 times. This exercise is also gonna help your eye to get a foxy look and a lifted look. See, I'm so slow and I'm really so light on the skin, so I'm not just pushing it too much into my skin.